Welcome to the Moon with AI. Today we'll show you how to use our new Python and TensorFlow Coach GPTs and highlight its main advantages and features. Let's get started. First, let's find our GPTs. Head over to the ChatGPT website or application. Navigate to the Explore GPTs section. Type ToTheMoonWithAI Python TensorFlow Coach and choose it from the list. Using our GPTs is simple. You can start by typing a prompt such as Day 1, Day 2, and so on to structure your learning journey. The complete learning plan you can find in the description for this video, so you can use it as a prompt for your learning flow. Our GPTs can create exercises for practicing theory, helping you solidify your knowledge step by step. Anytime you don't understand something, simply ask our GPTs to explain. You'll get clear and detailed answers at any time and in any place. One of the most exciting features of our GPTs is their ability to understand and respond in multiple languages. Simply type your queries, and you'll receive accurate and relevant responses in your preferred language. This makes learning accessible no matter what language you speak. Need to realize a specific task in Python? Just describe your task to our GPTs and it will generate the appropriate code for you. This feature is perfect for both beginners and experienced developers looking to save time. One of the best features of our GPTs is their accessibility. Whether you're on a trip or lounging on the beach, you can continue learning and improving your skills. Our GPTs are available on all devices, ensuring you never miss a learning opportunity. Whether you're taking other online or offline courses in Python and TensorFlow, our GPTs can enhance your learning experience. Use it to practice exercises, get instant feedback, and have your code checked. No matter where you are in your educational journey, our GPTs are here to support you. To summarize, ToTheMoonWithAI's Python and TensorFlow Coach GPTs are your perfect companions for learning and development. With structured exercises, error handling, detailed explanations, and code generation, you have everything you need to excel in your projects. Start using our GPTs today and take your skills to the moon. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.